Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I'm here to try 2 new things. That's 4, but 2 new things. So if you saw my previous video, I made hyaluronic acid serum and I use it on my skin, primarily my face. I am wearing it right now underneath my moisturizer, and I learned that hyaluronic acid serum can be really good for your hair as well. So I'm going to be trying it on my hair. My hair is freshly washed. It's a little damp. It's been towel dried for a while, so it could use some re-wetting. So I'll be using the Rose Water Moisturizer by Love Light and Locks, available on KeishaCharmaine.com. It's great for helping your hair stay hydrated for a longer amount of time. So I think that it will pair really well with the hyaluronic acid serum. If you want to learn how to make it, check out my video. So that's step 1, but I will also be trying zipper curls. So I saw on Instagram a tutorial by a loctician by the name of, wait, I want to give her credit, by the name of the River_Oshun. So basically it's a pipe cleaner hairstyle that where you take it out, your hair gets crimpy. So I'm going to try it because it makes the hair nice and short, and I haven't had my locks short in a really long time, so I'm gonna try this short style. I feel like it's gonna have me looking like Patty Mayonnaise, except I got black hair, but we're gonna see. So let's start off with the hydration. So I really like that I'm gonna be doing this hyaluronic acid serum before I put the pipe cleaners in, because once they're in, I'm not going to be able to thoroughly hydrate them as I normally would because they're gonna be tucked away in the style. So I'm happy about amplifying the hydration beforehand. So I'm gonna start off with a section of hair. I'm going to first mist it with the Rose Water Moisturizer. I'm shipping these really soon, so make sure that you head over and buy now. And while you're at it, you should get the Nurture with Nature box for the whole product line right now. When you get the bundle, you get to save money. So I'm gonna just squeeze that all in there. Now I'm gonna get a little bit of the serum and distribute it throughout. And you know, because when you use the hyaluronic acid serum on your face, it's best to use it as a base and then follow up with your lotion. So I'm going to actually follow up with my sealant, the horsetail leaf growth oil, to help lock in that moisture. That's also available on KeishaCharmaine.com in the Nurture with Nature box. And I'm going to make sure to work it in there nice. It feels really good. It feels nice and soft. I'm liking this. This feels like a nice combo. So apparently the hyaluronic acid serum is really good for damaged hair, really brittle hair, color treated hair. And my hair is definitely color treated. If you've been following me since before 2017, then you remember this black wasn't always black, okay? Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the zipper curls. For the tutorial, you wanna start off with 2 and grab pipe cleaner and bend it in half. Then you put the pipe cleaner at the root, and I'm not retwisting my hair. I don't like retwisting my hair when I have curly styles because I like having volume at my roots when I have curls. So let's get in close. Okay. So as you can see, my hair is in the middle, right? Now you go ahead and braid. Okay, so I had to start over. Oh, I'm taking this off now so I can start over. I realized I was doing it all wrong. You're not supposed to do a braid. You're supposed to go over and under like a zipper. Duh, Keisha. Our locks in between the pipe cleaner, right? And separate it into 3. See, the 3 is what had me tripping, thinking about it was a braid. But so we're going over and under, over and under. This is actually really hard for me to do because there's a part where as your hair gets down the pipe cleaner, you're supposed to be able to push your lock up to fit it. And I'm not able to do that. I wonder if it's my pipe cleaner or am I doing it too tightly? I'm going to try to do it looser. And I'm wondering right now, am I going to have to post a fail? Am I going to have to post a fail video? If so, that's unfortunate. But you guys got to know too that I don't get it right all the time. So if I don't get it right, I'm still going to post this. And if I don't get it right, then I'm going to just do regular pipe cleaner curls. The old trusty. Because my hair is the same color as the pipe cleaners, it's like tripping me up. Okay, there we go. This might be easier to do if I was doing it on someone else, but we'll try this one more time. Okay, and I'm going to try not to do it tightly. I feel like I'm handling the pipe cleaner wrong. It's really hard to do this on yourself. You know what? I'll try this on my mom's hair. At some point, I'll try it on her hair. As of now, it's looking like a fail. I can't do it. I cannot. I can't do it. So you know what that means? Pipe cleaner curls. And I love the way my hair feels right now. It feels really soft and hydrated right now. If you'd like to see a tutorial on pipe cleaner curls, I have that linked above. I almost did the zipper curls again. No. We're not doing that. I gave up. But check out my pipe cleaner curl tutorial if you want to see how I do this, because I'm going to speed right through this and I will come back and show you the final results. But if you decide to make your own handmade hyaluronic acid serum, make sure you leave me a comment below and let me know how it goes. And if you have a passion for DIY like I do, and you are interested in getting some extra revenue, whether that's to pay some bills or to replace your income and start a new career, check out my course, From Passion to Profit, how I started my 6-figure DIY product business, and how you can too. My course is packed with knowledge from my own personal experience, as well as all that I've learned from my coaches, and it's self-paced so you can learn at your own time, and you can also book a call with me and I can help you with a personalized game plan. So I'll have the link to that down below as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish this off camera.